WordPress Tools. Tools menu options will allow you to do various tasks such as import, export settings, and depending on your setup, you may have certain other tools that comes prepackaged with certain plugins. Let's press on import. Here, let's imagine you have a blogger site that you'd like to now import to your WordPress site. If that's the case, you can press on details to learn more about this blogger install plugin. And let's install it, so I'll actually show you, because the rest of the settings basically do the same thing. Here we have the blogger, but you also have WordPress. Let's install that as well, just to see the similarity of using both of them. Now let's press on Run Importer for importing our blogger site. Let's imagine you've been maintaining a Blogger, which is a free Google blogging platform. Then you would log into that particular platform, find Settings, find Other, Menu Link, and then back up your content. When you back it up, you need to then save it to your local computer. Then you would press Save to your computer. Then once the settings are saved to your computer, you would then select that file from your local computer, which is an XML file format, and then you would simply open, upload file, and import. So I'm not going to do that for my blog, but keep in mind that option is there for you. That's to do with importing. Let's imagine you have a different WordPress site. Perhaps it was the free version of WordPress. You can run the importer for WordPress as well, and as you can see, the process is the same for importing different platforms onto your self-hosted WordPress site. Now that is to import something from external resource. You can also press on export option. Then you can download, as in export your current WordPress site, perhaps for backing up purposes. Perhaps you'd like to keep a backup, or later on you may want to move your self-hosted site somewhere else. So the procedure of import and export work along the same lines. And as I've said, depending on the plugins and setup that you have, you may have other tools made available for you to use. At the end of the day, it's only smart to do regular exporting backups of your WordPress site, just in case something ever goes wrong. And that is WordPress Tools.